to pay with Pluxee in Shopee Online. 1. Open the Shopee app or visit the Shopee website on your phone or computer. 2. Add the items you want to buy to your shopping cart. 3. Proceed to checkout and fill in your shipping details. 4. When you reach the payment page, check if Pluxee or Sodexo, depending on your country, is listed as a payment option. 5. If it's available, select Pluxee and you'll be redirected to the Pluxee payment gateway. 6. Log in with your Pluxee account or enter your card details, card number, expiry, CVV to pay. 7. Confirm your payment and complete the purchase. Your Pluxee balance will be deducted instantly. 8. If Shopee doesn't directly accept Pluxee, you can instead use your balance to buy Shopee gift cards or vouchers from a Pluxee partner store. Then use those on Shopee checkout.